When I was a student here, my experience was great. You can go at your own pace. You can go fast or slow. The staff is amazing. They're always amazing. Even if you're mad, sad, happy, they're gonna make you laugh.
My old school wasn't really great. It felt like more of a prison environment. So coming here, it kind of brightened up my mood a little bit and helped me move forward.
What I'm doing now, I work at Cleveland Clinic as a PCNA, behavioral unit. I graduated with a patient care technician certification, and that opened up doors for me to start my nursing career. I really grown.
I was able to connect with teachers more. I had better classes. I was able to do things on my own accord because it's self-paced. It just made it easier. If I stayed at my previous school, I think I'll still be like in a bad state of mind. I would have been almost 18 if I graduated. So now that I came here, I started early, I'm happier, and it's just all around better.
One thing I can say I'm thankful for the school for is really everything. Like, helped me graduate, let me move at my own pace, the classes they offer. And they're not just a school, they're more people. They treat you like they're people, emotionally, physically. They're very helpful, and I recommend them.